Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my little creative corner of the internet if you're new. I'm really excited about today's video, because there are two news that I can finally share after working on them for a while. But first, let's make a good cup of coffee. Now, let's get into it. For a while I am thinking about renaming the channel, because I do so many different creative things here now that fashion loves do-it-yourself might be a bit too specific. But no worries, the content won't change. We will continue with the do-it-yourself tutorials, the bullet journaling, art journaling and crafts videos. Like I always say, everything about living a creative life. It's just a new name. The channel will be named after the two staples in my videos and my life in general, creativity and coffee. I myself am powered by creativity and coffee, so I thought it would be the perfect name. Here I am creating the new banner for the channel. So if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below. The second news for today is my latest creative adventure. I am starting my own Etsy store for my handmade stationery and stickers. I am planning to share this adventure with you in some studio vlogs. Today we get started on the journey by unboxing some materials and packaging I bought for the shop and create the first sticker set. The theme for this one is Coffee Addict. I did a bunch of illustrations and some test prints on the craft paper to figure out how everything looks good. The shop launch will be on the 6th of June. If you want to get some more frequent updates and a look behind the scenes, follow my new business account on Instagram at creativity&coffee. I will leave a link to everything in the description down below. Now, besides all the fun creative stuff to do, there is a bunch of admin things to do at the computer too. Here came my little bags for the sticker packs, all made from paper, so it's biodegradable. I was only a bit shocked about the size of the box. What? Why? But I can reuse it to store my materials for the shop. In the next studio blog, hopefully coming soon, there will be different sticker designs and the process of creating other products for the shop launch. If you want to join me on this and other creative adventures of my life, hit the subscribe button down below. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you.